Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Prime Video fix Blurry. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is check your Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes the weaker Wi-Fi connection also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just switch it to reliable connection. Now the next thing that you can do is open up your Prime Video app, and once you're inside here, on the top right corner of the screen you'll see a gear icon, that is a settings icon. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside, tap on the first option that says stream and download, and once you're inside stream and download, here on the top of the options you'll see stream quality. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside there, check to see if your option is set to data saver, because that might be causing the video to be blurry. In order to get higher video quality, simply select the option that is best, toggle this option on use highest quality on Wi-Fi, and once you're done with that, go back and here you'll see download quality. Simply tap on that, and here set this download quality to always ask, and once you're done with this, the next thing that you can do is just check your subscription plan. If the subscription plan is on cheaper, then your quality will be on 480p, and if the subscription plan is on standard, then your quality will be on 1080p, and if your subscription is on premium plan, then your video quality will be in 2160p, that is your 4K, right? So if you are subscribed to cheaper plan and want higher quality video, then just simply upgrade to standard or premium plan, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.